Let's sing a song together that you might know already. Do you know it's raining, it's pouring? Great! Let's sing it together now. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring, bumped his head on the foot of the bed and didn't get up till the morning. He had a really big sleep. Did you hear the word pouring in that song? What does it mean if it's pouring outside? It means it's raining so hard. That's a term for very, very hard rain, pouring. Can you think of some other words for hard rain? If it's raining a lot, what might you call that? You could call it a downpour. You could call it torrential rain. That's really, really hard. And you could call it a deluge. There are lots of interesting words for it raining really, really hard. Let's sing our song together one more time. You ready? It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring, bumped his head on the foot of the bed and didn't get up till the morning. So those were some other words for really hard rain. Torrential rain, downpour, and deluge. There are some special words for rain that's very light as well, like sprinkle or drizzle. Have you heard those words before? Yeah, those mean it's raining just a little bit, not a lot. So there are different words that help us understand if it's raining a lot outside or just a little bit. Let's sing the song together one more time. Ready? It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring, bumped his head on the foot of the bed and didn't get up till the morning. So today we learned that pouring is one word for really hard rain, but so is deluge or downpour or torrential rain. Those are all words that mean it's very, very heavily raining outside. It's raining a lot. And if it's raining just a little bit, we could call that a sprinkle or a drizzle. Are any of those words new to you? Are there any that you didn't know before today? Great. Well, I'm so happy you learned something new today and we got to sing a familiar song too. I can't wait to see you soon. Bye.